I'm Sherwin Damdar, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
I'm Matt Tones. I'm the Senior Application Engineer at Garlock.
And we're here to talk about what makes a gasket fire safe and why that matters to manufacturers. So Matt, tell me, what does it mean to be fire safe?
Well, fire safe usually stands for something to do with the gasket's ability to maintain its integrity and functionality in the event that a fire were to occur around or near the connection itself. And you commonly associate fire safety with industries like hydrocarbon processing, refining, where there's gasoline and fuels, or chemical processing. But it's also a very common requirement for food, pharmaceutical industries. And as well beyond that, you think about the standard sprinkler systems inside of a building. You want to maintain water pressure in the event that the building is on fire. So fire safety is a requirement there as well.
And how do we determine if a gasket is fire safe?
Yeah, so there's a lot of different fire tests out there. The industry standard methods that are most commonly associated with sealing products are related to the American Petroleum Institute, or API. In particular, the gasketing is the API 6FB. And this is a fire test where the gasket is basically has to survive a 60-minute test where it has to see at least 15 minutes at over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. And at the end has to basically show pretty close to zero leakage.
Okay, and a common question we typically get from those in the chemical processing industry or the pharmaceutical industry is about PTFE. Is a PTFE gasket on its own fire safe?
No, absolutely not. You think about PTFE as a whole, resins. It's 620 to 621 degrees is the gel or the melt point for PTFE resins. So if you think about that, if the fire test requires the gasket to survive at 1,200 degrees, how would you get a 621 degree polymer to survive? So reality is that to state that a PTFE is fire safe really is not a safe thing to do as far as the customer base is concerned. There's a lot of sealing solutions out there. Traditionally, graphite is a very common fire safe product that's used in sheet as well as spiral wound type gaskets. Fiber gaskets are certain fiber styles that are past fire testing as well. But for the customers that are looking for ultra purity or chemical resistance, sometimes you need to kind of look outside the traditional box. And for instance, we have a new product called the XC gasket, which is a corrugated metal gasket that has dual sealing elements. The primary element in contact with the fluid is the Gylon 3545 element, and the secondary element, which provides fire safety, is our ThermoPure product.
Great, thanks for sharing those insights.